Looking for ways to expand your business, a wall printer might just what you need. Low investment, you get everything you need to start a project, including the machine, Franco training, and full project support. There are no hiding fees. High return on investment, wall printers can be very profitable. Besides ink and label costs, there are no additional costs, and the highest return on a single project is over 85%. Demand is higher, and wall painting is now a more cost-effective and efficient method of decoration than hand painting, and more families in Europe and the United States are choosing wall printing. It's a $14 billion global market, and the market continues to grow annually. It's in line with your business need. If you are involved in design events, planning, marketing, interior design, and decoration, it will help you grow your business.